Well, eGrow and searching for products is really good. That's great. All the software he showed us to find. Alex is really good as a trainer. The software he's given us at home to train on has been really good. Yeah, the last couple of days has just been brilliant. It's really going to move things forward for me, and not only for Amazon, but also put some of the techniques towards my eBay. Also with Peter's writing techniques and what he's shown us, and with what Ross has said. I think everybody should come. There's nobody, that shouldn't come. If you want to give it a go, give it a go. Alex is friendly, he's outgoing, he answers everything. He doesn't put you off about anything. Yeah, he's really good. Yes, I have one new product idea, but because of the training I had at home, I already have 10 that he's given me from the training. So, yeah, Alex and Peter are really good with that. They've contacted me over the phone as well. So, yeah, this has been really good, this training, all the way round, at home and here over the last 2 days.